you're walking out of here!
Cedric! Look at you now. On your knees. Betty, stop.
You ruined my life today. Now, I get to ruin yours. Well, who am I shooting first today?
If you hurt him, I will end you.
Sophia, don't.
You've risked a lot for me, okay? Let me protect you, at least while you're hurt.
All right.
Touch him. But really, who is dying first today?
If you want to shoot someone so badly, why don't you just shoot me already?
You touch my grandson, and you'll die.
Click the link below to watch the full video.